NBA names East and West Conference Finals MVPs after Bird and Magic. Respect is earned, not given. And surely they paved way to the stardom of the association. With this, the NBA formally announced that they will name the Eastern and Western Conference Finals MVPs after the great Larry Bird and Earvin Magic Johnson.
Basta Sports, JMELO.
Basta Sports, JMELO.
Basta Sports,
Basta
JMELO.
Sports, JMELO.
Basta Sports, JMELO.
That's what I follow. Basta Sports, JMELO.
Yes, this is the first time that the league will award Conference Finals MVP. Who do you think will be the recipients? Along with this are the redesigns of other NBA trophies, like the Conference Championship, Larry O'Brien Trophy, and the Bill Russell Finals MVP. The league also released the whole process of the redesigning in their official social media accounts. This is part of the Diamond Season celebration.
Basta Sports, JMELO.
Basta Sports, JMELO.
Basta Sports, JMELO.
Kabayan, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.